I'll take you downstairs just for a quick look at the engine room, which is really quite nice and exceptionally well thought out, again, for a boat of this size. So coming downstairs, I could have put my shoes on, but it's all good. And here you can see your big Volvo motors, the D12s. These are inline 6, 715 horsepower each. If you see me standing up in here, I'm not quite as tall as I used to be, but I'm still 5'10", and I clear this, so I'm going to guess about 6 feet, can stand comfortably down here. We have done a pre-survey survey of the boat. We've had her checked out, electronics, motor-wise, etc. She runs strong. She is in really good shape, and looking forward to getting her on a sea trial with a buyer. So, just wanted you to get a picture of what she's like. The condition of the engine room is important in my mind, and this boat is well cared for.